Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid again, and in this new video I'm going to show you how you can design this landing page which can increase your conversion rate up to 60%. And maybe you are asking yourself, but Sharif, how do you know this landing page can increase the conversion rate up to 60%? Because this is the same template that has been used by many marketing experts that have been following, such as Miles Beckler and Mike Killen, and all of them share the same template for their landing pages. And they specifically spoke about certain elements that needs to be included inside this landing page. And this includes a subtitle for the page, a great headline or a big headline that shows a specific value for your subscribers, an image, of course, for your lead magnet, such as a free PDF or a checklist or template or even an online course or ebook, and then a paragraph and a few bullet points, up to 5 bullet points, and then a two-step opt-in form. So when people try to access the checklist by clicking the button, and a pop-up will appear asking them to add their name and email address. I'm going to show you how you can design this landing page inside your WordPress website. But before I show you this, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this video is part of my 100-day video creation challenge, where I publish a video for YouTube every single day for 100 days. And of course, your subscription will be a great support for me during this challenge. Now let me show you how you can design this high converting landing page inside your WordPress website to increase your conversion rate. Now, to design this landing page, I'll be using the Kadence Blocks plugin, specifically the Pro version of Kadence Blocks, because it gives me access to this Modal Pop-up, which means that I can add a two-step opt-in form. Once you buy the Kadence Blocks Pro, now you can go back to your WordPress website, and you need to install two plugins, which are the free version of Kadence Blocks and the premium version of Kadence Blocks. You can simply do this by going to plugins and then click add new, and in the search bar search for Kadence Blocks, and this is the plugin that we're looking for. You can do that, you know the drill. You simply click install now and then activate the plugin. This is for the free copy. For the premium one, you need to click upload plugin and then choose the file of the plugin and then install and activate the plugin. And by the way, I'll be leaving my affiliate link down below for Kadence Blocks if you like to buy through my affiliate link. Now we can start designing our landing page, and we can do this by going to pages and then click add new, and let's give this page a name, and let's click publish. And now we can start designing our landing page. To add all the elements like the subtitle, the headline inside the landing page, we need to click the plus button here, and this will give us access to all the blocks that have been added by the Kadence Blocks Pro and the free version of Kadence Blocks. Specifically, I'm looking for the row layout, which means this is the row layout here works as a container for all of our elements. We'll be using it to add like our image, our subtitles, our headline, and everything else inside this page. So we can start by adding a one row layout. I'll be choosing the one column row layout template, and here we can start by adding our subtitle, this is the subtitle of the page. So let me copy it, and here we can do this by clicking this add block button and search for advanced text, and let's convert this into a paragraph tag, and let's center align it. Now we need to add our large headline. We can do this by clicking the three dots and then click insert after, and let me copy the headline itself and add it here, and let's convert this into advanced text and to be a hidden one, and again let's center align this. Now we have our subtitle and also our large headline. Now we need to add like an image and also the bullet points, and here we need to add another row layout, but in this case it will be like a two column row layout, and we can do this by clicking the row layout itself, and then in the three dots we click insert after, and again we click the plus button and search for the row layout and drag and drop it here, and in this case we choose a two column row layout. And then let's start by adding our image, and we can do this by simply clicking this plus button and search for advanced image. This is the advanced image element, and then we need to click select image, and here you will have two options. If you don't have the image, you can simply upload the image file from here, but if you have uploaded it before, you can have access to it inside your media library. So let me search for the productivity ebook image itself. This is the image, and I click select. Now I have the image inside my page. Of course, you can have control over the width from these elements, and also can, if you don't find it in center aligned, you can choose to align center from these options here. Now we need to add our paragraph, so let me just copy the paragraph from here, and again let's click this plus button and let's search for advanced text, and let's add our paragraph here, and let's make sure this is text aligned to the left, and let's maybe remove this list element here, by just, let's click delete here. Now we need to add our icon list here, and you can do this by going again to the paragraph again, and let's click the three dots and insert after, and click the plus button and search for icon list. This is the icon list. Of course, you can use the default list element inside WordPress, but I like to use what's provided by Kadence Blocks because it gives me more options to style this icon list. And here we can start by adding our text. So let's start by adding our text, this text here. And instead of writing or just adding more bullet points, we can simply click the three dots and click duplicate up to 5 bullet points, or maybe like 4 bullet points in this case. So let's duplicate here. And of course, you need to change the text of these bullet points. Now we need to control the spacing between the bullet points elements and also increase the icon size and change its color. So let's choose one of these, and down below you need to choose icon list to make sure that you are adding a global styling for all of your icon lists. And then here under style, here we can change the icon itself. So let's click icon styling and let's choose this icon here. And again, we can change the color of the icon by clicking here and change this to be something like green. And for the size, let's make this like 20 pixel. Well, you know what, let's make this 25. Now we have the icon changed and also its color. Now we need to increase the space between the bullet points themselves by going to the general tab, and here in the vertical spacing list, let's make this like 50 or 15. So now we have our paragraph and icon list as well. The next step will be to adding our two-step opt-in form. Again, make sure that you are choosing the icon list itself and click the three dots and then click insert after. And here you search for modal pop-up, modal element. This is the modal. And here you need to add the link text and also the opt-in form, or the step opt-in form, which is this part. So when click here, this is the text that we need to style. So let's start by adding the text inside the pop-up itself. So let me copy this text here, and here you can do the same. I mean, you can design this or add content the same as you are working with the row layout. So let's click the or copy and paste it here, and let's make this a advanced text, and let's change this to be like heading 4, and let's center align it. Now we need to add our form itself, and we can simply do this by clicking these three dots and then click insert after and add a block and search for form. And this is the form. Here by default you will have the name, email, and the message. You can just click the message and click this icon to remove it, and this is the name and email address forms. Of course, you can change this, maybe something like, yes, I want to have access to this PDF. And then let's center align this again here. Now we have our pop-up ready to be used. Now we need to change, or we need to add some text to our button. This is the button. This is the button that I'm talking about. So let's, just copy text here from here. I can't copy it, so let me just add it manually. So we need to go to the learn more, and here let's add our text. And this is the text of the button. Maybe you're asking yourself, but how you can design the button itself? Here under in the right sidebar, you'll find the link text. This includes all the options relevant to the button itself. For example, you can change the link background from here, which was green as a background. And we can change the text itself by clicking the link color here and make this white. And we need to remove the border itself from here, and let's make this 0 to avoid having a border. And then we need to increase our font size to be something like 25. And if you want to have like a spacing around the text itself, like this one, you need to go to the padding here and click here, and let's make this like 15 pixel. Now we have a large padding around the text. And let's add an icon by clicking here, and let's add this icon here. Now we have our icon. If you like to add a space between the icon and text, simply add it from here. So now this is the text itself. So let's click update and let's view the page. And we are almost there. If we compare two pages, you will find that there is no header and footer inside this page, while there is a header and footer inside this page. Actually, how you can add or remove your header and footer will depend on which theme you are using. Here I'm using the Kadence theme, but you can do the same if you're using the Astra theme, the Blocksy, or even GeneratePress. So I can remove the header and footer and the page name by going to the page settings themselves or itself. By clicking this icon here, page settings, I will disable the page title and I will make the content unboxed. I will disable vertical padding, disable the header and disable the footer, and let's click update. And let's go to the page and let's click refresh. Now we have a very similar design to the original landing page. Maybe we need to resize this image. So let's go to the image itself again and let's, design it from, let's go to the page settings and let's make this like, I don't know, maybe 555. So let's remove this 0 and let's make this center aligned. It's center aligned already, so let's make this center aligned here and let's click update and let's refresh the page. And now I think the image looks much better now. Maybe we need to align this button to the left, so let's go here and let's click here and align this modal to the left and let's click update. The one item that we are missing is the legal icon or the legal notice of this page, and you can simply do this by going again to the page itself, and here let's choose the roll layout and let's click insert after, and we can just write down the legal text itself, or let me just copy it from here and let's add it here and let's make this like center aligned and let's click update. Let's click refresh. Now we have also our link to the legal notice of the page, and when people try to click here, they will have to add their name and email address. And maybe you're asking now how you can connect this email and email address to your email marketing platform. This can be done very easily inside the Kadence Blocks form element. So let's go back to the page again and let's choose the form itself, and here you'll find an element called email settings under general. Here you can find not the email settings, sorry, the actions after submit. Here you can choose which actions should be done once people add their name and email address. You can choose to redirect people to another page, but then you need to add this page inside this redirect settings. And also you can choose to add them to your database, or even connect this form to MailerLite, Fluent CRM, Sendinblue, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign. Maybe you're asking but what about ConvertKit or any other type or any other email marketing platform? We can connect any email marketing platform using the webhooks feature, which can connect the form element of Kadence Blocks with a variety of other email marketing platform. And I'm quite sure that the Kadence theme is adding more direct integrations with other email marketing platforms such as ConvertKit or maybe Send also. And so this is the landing page that can help you increase your conversion rate up to 60%. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this will be a great support for me during my 100 video creation challenge. Now, thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye for now.